Hi, my name is Josh. Welcome to the Tern Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be going over the quick overview of how to get out your ice cream machine, how to use it, and how to take care of it. Please refer to the Quick Start Guide and user manual that came with the machine for full safety and use instructions. First, we're going to want to remove the ice cream bowl and the paddle, and we're going to wash those with warm soapy water. We want to be careful with the bowl itself because the surface of the bowl can be easily scratched, and so we don't want to use any harsh abrasives or metal serving utensils when we use the bowl, so we can take care of it and use it for a long time. After we've washed these two things, we want to put the freezer bowl into the freezer overnight or for at least 8 hours so that the liquid inside of the bowl can freeze to a solid. One of the ways to know if the bowl is completely ready to use for making ice cream is shaking the bowl, and if you hear any liquid inside, it's not ready. Continue to freeze it until it is. Next, we want to make an ice cream mix. In the Quick Start Guide, we give the most basic recipe, one for vanilla that is just 4 simple ingredients. We're going to start with 2/3 cup of milk, and we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. As well as about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, we're going to mix those ingredients until the sugar is completely dissolved into the milk, because we don't want any of those granules from the sugar getting into the finished ice cream. We want it to be smooth and creamy. After the sugar is fully dissolved, we're going to add 2/3 cup of cream. And mix to make sure those things are fully incorporated. Next, we're going to get the freezer bowl out of the freezer. We're going to add it to the ice cream machine. We're going to place it on the base and rotate it to lock it into position. And then we take the cover and we add it, making sure that the back edge is under the lip, holding the cover in place for when we're using the machine. Now we want to turn on the machine and add the mix. Now for scraping, we want to start at the top edge and work our way down. We want the paddle to be angled back and the front edge of the blade angled down, and we're going to start at the top and slowly move the paddle all the way down to the bottom of the bowl, adding a little bit of pressure. Again, we'll take it from the top, adding a little bit of pressure, moving the paddle to the bottom. And we'll continue doing this until the ice cream reaches a thick, dense consistency. It's ready to turn off and serve. The ice cream is wonderful right out of the machine, or you can add it into your freezer for serving your guests and friends at a later time. After you're done making ice cream and you've removed the ice cream from the machine, we're going to want to clean all the parts and make sure they're ready for use next time. You want to make sure the cover is rinsed, and anything on the base of the machine, from the bottom side it can be rinsed gently with water, or from this outside it can be wiped with a washcloth. You want to wash the bowl again with warm soapy water and put it back in the freezer so that it's ready to use next time. Those are the basics of how to use your Tern craft ice cream machine. We're excited to see all the amazing creations that you come up with, the artisans that you become, and how you use the machine with your family and friends. Thank you for joining us on this journey and being a part of the Tern ice cream family.